Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how we can install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that Visual Studio Code is a source code editor. Using it, you can do your programming work. Now to download, you can simply open any browser and search for Visual Studio Code and open the link from code.visualstudio.com. Don't worry about the download link, I'll provide the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download Visual Studio Code. To download, simply click on this drop down menu and download Windows X 64-bit installer file. Here you will find two versions, one is stable version and insider version. I will suggest you to download the stable version as this will provide stable performance while you are doing programming. Here you can see it is downloading and it is around 95 MB, so it will take some time. Let me complete the download process. After that, I'll show you how you can install and set up Visual Studio Code. Once the download has been completed, simply open the installer file. Here we have our Microsoft Visual Studio Code setup window. Let me minimize the browser. Here simply read the license agreement, then click on I accept the agreement. Then click on next button. Now here we have an option to select our installation location. So if you want to change your installation location, then simply click on browse button and select your installation location. However, I'll just keep it default, then click on next button. And if you want to create start menu folder, simply name it as Visual Studio Code, then click on next. However, if you don't want to create start menu folder, then simply check this box, don't create a start menu folder. Then click on next button. Here you will find some additional options such as create a desktop icon. So if you want to create a desktop icon, simply check this box, then click on next button. Now here simply verify your Visual Studio setup. After that, finally click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once Visual Studio Code has been installed, simply click on finish button and it will launch Visual Studio Code. Now here you will find your welcome screen. Now you can easily set up your Visual Studio Code. First of all, simply select your theme. Once you have selected your theme, click on next option and here you will find your programming language support page. You can see using Visual Studio Code, you can program in JavaScript, Python, Java, TypeScript, CSS, C++, C#, C, PHP, PowerShell and more. However, to do programming in all this programming language, you have to install some plugins. To explore plugins, simply click on Browse Language Extension and here you will find all the supported language extension. So for example, I want to do HTML and CSS programming. I'll simply select HTML and CSS support plugin, then click on install button and it will install the plugin on your Visual Studio Code. Once you have installed your language support pack, simply click on welcome tab. Now you can simply skip other method. For that, you can simply click on mark done button. After that, you will get an option to create your project. For that, simply click on new file. Simply select file type. Say for example, I want to create text file. I'll simply select text file and it will open a text file window. Now here you can start doing your programming. So that's it. This is how you can install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.